Hi guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So as I have promised, we will be doing a comparison review between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone XR. So if you want to see more, then please keep on watching. If hindi nyo pa napanood yung unboxing ko, so I will put it in the cards somewhere para makita nyo yung unboxing ko ng iPhone XR and ng iPhone 11. The iPhone XR, ito yung cellphone ko. While the iPhone 11, this is my husband's cellphone. We both decided na bumili ng cellphone. And mas nauna itong binili, itong iPhone XR. Itong iPhone 11, it's just recent. So, i-compare natin yung dalawa. Disclaimer nga pala, I am not a tech reviewer. So, hindi ako expert sa pagre-review ng mga gadgets. This is actually the first time that I will be doing a video na ganito na nagre-review ng mga gadgets. So, please be kind sa comment section. And I am currently using the iPhone 8 sa pag-film ng video na to. So, if mag-iba yung quality ng video, then please forgive me kasi gusto kong i-review ito nang hawak ko siya side by side. Without further ado, simulan na natin yung comparison review. So, yung launch date nitong mga cellphones na to, they're quite different kasi itong iPhone XR, nilaunch to October 26, 2018. So, hindi siya kasabay ng flagship phone nila na iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. Unlike nitong iPhone 11, itong iPhone 11 is just recently released September 20, 2019 and kasabay siya ng mga flagship phones nila nang nirelease. Ito yung itsura nila side by side. So, when you look at it sa harap, actually wala siyang difference eh. Ayan o, parehas lang yung itsura niya. Yung full screen na yung display niya. And the only difference I see is this one. So, yung camera nitong XR is isa lang, while itong iPhone 11 is dalawa na yung camera niya. So, nag-improve yung camera nila. Actually, the major improvement that I see in the new iPhone 11 is the camera. So, it's slightly different. Ang iPhone XR is available in 6 colors. Actually, pareha silang available in 6 colors. So, yung mga basic nila na colors, yung black, yung white, and yung product red, they're both available in color yellow. Pero ang difference nila, iPhone XR is available in blue and coral, while the iPhone 11 is available in green and purple. So, yun yung mga colors nila. They both have 6 colors. Yung design nila, it's glass back. Tapos yung gilid niya is aluminum. So, if your mobile phone is made of glass, yung back, then it's compatible for wireless charging. So, I will be discussing that later on. So, yung display niya, yung laki niya, parehas lang din. 6.1 inch na LCD liquid retina, haptic touch, true tone display. Actually, parehas lang siya eh. Parehas lang yung weight, 194 grams parehas. Yung dimensions niya parehas lang. As in, pag tinignan mo siya ng ganyan, hindi mo malalaman which is which unless italikod mo pa siya ng ganon. Kaya nga, ginawa ko siyang parehas yung wallpaper para makita nyo na parehas lang talaga siya. Minsan nga nagkakapalit kami ng husband ko pagka dinadampot ko, ay, hindi ko pala to cellphone kasi hindi pa nakalagay yung Face ID namin sa isa't isa. So, nagtataka ako bakit hindi siya nag-open kasi magkaparehas lang talaga yung display nila. So, standard na iPhone. So, nandito yung Apple. But the only difference is that in the 11, wala na yung mga sulat dito unlike this one. So, ito, may mga sulat pa siya. iPhone designed in California, Kemerut. So, yun yung difference nila. So, ito mas plain lang and ang nag-take up ng majority of space is yung new cameras. So, headphone jack is not available in the new iPhone releases. So, lightning cable na yung ginagamit nila. So, as you've seen in my unboxing, may kasama siyang earpods. So, compatible naman siya dito. The only downside I see in this lightning cable is hindi ka pwedeng manood while charging. So, it's not really suggested that you do that charging while watching. Pero tayo, matitigas yung ulo natin. Minsan hindi natin mahintay na ma-full charge yung cellphone natin. So, yun yung mga physical attributes ng cellphone. So, let's move on to battery. So, ang battery ni iPhone XR is 2,942 mAh, while si iPhone XR is 3,110. So, it claims that this iPhone 11 lasts 1 hour longer than the iPhone XR. So, yung iPhone XR, actually, it's a good thing na ito yung mga models ng cellphone na kinuha namin. Kasi we can really compare how it performs. Kasi parang ito yung kasunod nito eh. Parang ito yung newer version nito. New and improved version yung iPhone 11. So, yun yung mga physical na differences nila. So, basically, it looks the same. Aside lang dun sa camera talaga. So, let's now proceed to the software. So, ang mobile software ng iPhone XR is iOS 12, while itong 11 is iOS 13. Although, with iPhones, we can always upgrade. So, pwede natin i-upgrade si iPhone XR to iOS 13. So, it's upgradable. The only difference is that iPhone XR runs on a 3GB RAM, while itong iPhone 11 is 4GB RAM. So, that means it's more faster. Itong iPhone 11, mas mabilis ang performance niya kesa dito sa iPhone XR. But, upon using it, wala naman actually nakikita ako masyadong difference. It works fine. Konting-konti lang. Kung may difference man siya, konting-konti lang. So, if you want to see speed test and all that stuff, hindi ako techie person, so merong mga videos sa internet na gumagawa ng mga Antutu benchmark, mga speed test, ganyan. So, yun na lang i-search nyo. Pero for me, since I'm not a professional, hindi ko yun may papakita. Yung processor niya, A12 Bionic, dun sa iOS, dito sa iPhone XR, while yung 11 runs on a A13 Bionic chip. So, yun yung difference nila. And then, yung storage naman, storage for the iPhone XR is available in 64, 128, and 256 when it was first released. Pero ngayon, discontinued na yata yung 256GB. So, dalawa na lang yung available nilang storage, 64 and 128. While itong iPhone 11, it's also available dun sa tatlong storage na yon. So, itong storage ng phone na to is 256, ito 128. So, yon yung mga features na software features na. Actually, I don't want to go into further details about the software, mga ganyan, kasi hindi nga ako professional na reviewer. So, yung review lang na alam kong abot ng isip ko, ang isi-share ko sa inyo. Siyempre, ayoko namang mag-share ng mga information na hindi ko rin naiintindihan, diba? Next one, so, i-feature ko naman din yung camera niya. Since yung camera niya, yung pinaka may improvement dito sa iPhone. So, yung camera niya, as you can see, itong rear cam niya sa iPhone XR, it's 12 megapixel and it's the wide na meron siyang f1.8 na aperture. While itong 11, since dalawa siya, there's one na wide, so same ng camera nito, and there's an additional camera. It's also 12 megapixels, but it's an ultra-wide camera and it's f2.4 aperture. So, mas maganda yung kuha nitong 11 if you want wide-angle photo. So, parang na siyang mga action camera na meron kang wide view. Then, itong iPhone XR, it has digital zoom up to 5 times. So, itong iPhone 11, meron din siya. However, meron siyang 2 times na optical zoom. Video capture niya, nagka-capture siya ng 4K videos at 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. So, parehas lang silang nagka-capture ng 4K. While yung front-facing camera niya, ang iPhone XR has 7 megapixel with Face ID, while itong 11, 12 megapixel yung front cam niya. So, selfie game strong dito sa ating bagong iPhone 11. Although maganda na rin yung mga selfie photos dito sa iPhone XR, mas pina-improve pa nila dito sa iPhone 11. And ano pa bang mai-share ko sa camera niya? Actually, nag-improve talaga ng sobra yung camera ng iPhone. Kasi itong iPhone 8, as you can see, iba yung ano niya, yung itsura niya. Kasi pagka nag-selfie ka sa iPhone 8, parang mukha kang naagnas, sabi ni Lloyd Cadena, dun sa iPhone. Parang, alam mo yung totoo yung kulay mo. Kung baga walang halong beauty shot, ganon. Pero dito, sa mga bagong iPhones, true tone pa din naman. I mean, kung ano yung itsura mo, yun talaga, with all the blemishes and all. Pero, hindi na siya katulad nung sa mga lumang iPhones na parang kang bangkay talaga. As in, parang minsan nga, actually that's one of the reasons kung bakit ayaw kong bumili ng iPhone before. Kasi parang ganun yung itsura ko hindi ko matanggap na hindi ako naka-beauty shot Kasi syempre diba, tao lang tayo, meron tayong mga pimples, ganyan. So, nung nag-Samsung ako, talagang gustong-gusto ko yung mga photos, selfie photos ko kasi parang ang fresh ko doon, parang walang pimples, ganon. Pero dito sa mga bagong iPhones na to, ang ganda na rin naman ang camera nila. In all fairness, so I did not regret buying the iPhone XR. So, yun yung camera niya. So, meron siyang portrait, parehas, but ano bang difference nila sa portrait? Meron siyang parang basta hindi ko na i-detalye yung mga portrait, basta meron siyang portrait, may portrait lighting. So, yung mga camera features niya, syempre since nga mas maganda yung resolution ng photos ng camera nitong iPhone 11, I think this is more superior than the iPhone XR. So, ito yung camera ng iPhone XR. So, 3 options yung sa portrait mode niya, natural light, studio light, and contour light. And pwede mo ring i-adjust yung aperture. While on the iPhone 11, so yan, meron siyang yung tawag dyan, wide at saka ultra wide. While yung portrait niya, maraming options. So may studio light, contour light, may stage light, highlight, key light. So marami siyang options. Unlike dun sa iPhone XR na tatlo lang. So, special features. So, both phones are water resistant. So, itong iPhone XR is IP67 certified. So, ibig sabihin nun, it can be submerged in water 1 meter for 30 minutes. While itong isa, it's IP68 certified. So, that means 2 meters for 30 minutes. So, mas okay yung water resistance nitong iPhone 11 kaysa sa iPhone XR. Pero, syempre, diba, sino ba namang tao ang maglulublob ng ganitong mga cellphone sa tubig, diba? Medyo may kamahalan din siya. So, as much as possible, we take good care of our phones. Pero, if in the event na mahulog siya, hindi ka magwo-worry kasi it is water resistant. So, it both have dual SIM capabilities. So, hindi pa namin na-try yung ganon. I'm not sure if it's available here in Saudi Arabia. Yung eSIM, yung nano SIM, and yung may isang SIM card ka pero dual SIM siya. So, I'm not sure if they will be releasing that in Saudi Arabia anytime soon. And also has wireless charging. So, since nag-glass yung back niya, it has wireless charging. Yun lang yung comparison video ko for today. So, it's basic. I know it's not very detailed, pero yung mga basics lang na hinahanap mo in a cellphone, yun lang yung mga diniscuss ko dito sa video na to. And if I were to choose between the iPhone XR and the iPhone 11, if wala pa akong iPhone XR, I think I would still go for the iPhone XR. Not only because it's cheaper, kasi halos same lang naman din sila ng specs eh. So if they will be releasing the iPhone XR, then medyo expensive pa siya. So if at this point, bibili ako ng iPhone, which I would choose. iPhone XR ba or itong iPhone 11? So I think I would go for the iPhone XR kasi hindi ko afford bumili ng new released na phone. Itong iPhone na to, binili ko to parang 6 months after it was released. So medyo nagmura na siya. Binili namin siya ng 2,800 reals. While itong iPhone na to, medyo mahal pa siya. Although malaki yung storage niya, 256, nabili namin ito ng 3,600 yata, 3,700 reals. So, imagine the price difference. And if you were to ask me, if you're someone na merong iPhone XR, do you feel the need to update? Para sa akin, having an iPhone XR, I don't feel the need for an upgrade kasi this iPhone XR has just been released last year. So it's still working at its optimal best. So okay pa naman din siya. It could be upgraded to the same iOS. So for me, it's not worth your money to upgrade. Kung may pera ka, then go ahead. Other stores do offer trade-in. Yung pwede mong i-trade-in yung old iPhone mo to the new iPhone. Magdadagdag ka lang ng pera. Pero if hindi mo naman, if you do not have budget for that, hindi ka naman kailangan magmadali mag-upgrade. Pero maganda yung iPhone 11. I tell you, maganda siya. But it shares the same specifications as the iPhone XR. Kumbaga, mas improved lang talaga dito. Hindi ka naman masyadong big on the specs. Okay lang na iPhone XR na lang ang bilhin mo. So, yun lang yung video ko for today. So, I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa comparison ng dalawang iPhones na to. Please like this video if you like videos like this. Comment down below if ano ba yung pipiliin nyo, iPhone XR or iPhone 11. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!